Hi everyone. Welcome to PDF.co. Today we will show you how to extract images from PDF and add them to Google Slides with PDF.co using Zapier. We will use this sample PDF to extract images and add them to Google Slides. We will also use this template to create a new slide with extracted images. Let's start by logging into your Zapier account and create a Zap. Next, search and select the Google Drive app. And choose the new file and folder as a trigger. For Drive field, select My Google Drive. For the folder field, choose the specific folder where the file is located. Then, click the Test Trigger button. Once the test trigger was successful, you may proceed to the next step. Search and select the PDF.co app. And choose the custom API call for the action event. In the PDF.co API endpoint field, click Custom, and enter the PDF to JSON meta endpoint. In the URL input parameter override field, select the web content link from Google Drive. Then, enter the code in the input JSON field. After setting up, click the Test and Review button. Once the test result was successful, you will get a base64 output for the extracted images. Seems Google Slides does not support base64 as an image URL. So we need to upload this base64 output. Let's add another app and select PDF.co. Next, choose the custom API call for the action event. Now, let's set up the action. For the API endpoint, click Custom, and add the Upload Base64 endpoint. Next, add the JSON input. Your JSON input should look something like this. Then, insert the base64 output from first image. After adding the base64 output, we can now test the action. Once the test was successful, copy the image URL output and use as a source file. Since we have two extracted images, we will now upload the base64 output of second image. Let's add another app and select PDF.co. Then choose the custom API call. Next, click Custom, and add the Upload Base64 API endpoint. Next, add the JSON input. And add the base64 output of second image. In the name param, change image1 to image2. And test the action. Once the test was successful, copy the image URL and use it as a source file. Now, let's add the extracted images to Google Slides. Search and select the Google Slides app. And choose the Create Presentation from template for the event. Let's set up the action. In the title of New Presentation field, type in your preferred title for the new presentation to be created. In the Is Shared field, set it to True. If you want it to be in private, set it to False. For Template Presentation field, select the presentation title you created. For Image 1 and Image 2, enter the image URL from the uploaded base64 output. Now, let's click the Test and Review button to see the result. We successfully sent a presentation to Google Slides. Let's check the Google slide to view the output. Here's the new slide presentation with extracted images. For more video tutorials, you may visit our YouTube channel, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and click the notification bell icon. Thank you for watching.